Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. The big weather headline for us to round out the week is that we have a winter weather advisory across southern and eastern Kentucky from 6 a.m. tomorrow till noon on Saturday. Those are the areas that are going to have the best opportunity to see some accumulating snowfall as we go into the next couple of days. Everybody just outside of this here across the bluegrass and into central Kentucky still on the table for some light snow as we head into tomorrow. Radar already showing that there's some light snow in the vicinity, but nothing is falling here in Lexington, and I don't expect much to fall or make it to the ground here over the course of the next couple of hours tonight, as it's too dry underneath this, and we're going to see the band of snow develop a little thicker as we head into tomorrow morning. You can see there's a little bit more showing up here. This is what we'll be watching. Not a lot of moisture available, but with how cold temperatures are, it doesn't take much. Nonetheless, our system is moving into Arkansas right now, and as it works across southern Tennessee and then gets out across the Carolinas, then works up the East Coast, we're going to see the opportunity for snow to wrap around this system as we head into tomorrow. So here's what it looks like as we put the next big thing into motion moving forward. You'll notice that as we get into tomorrow morning, we're likely to see a band of snow develop. Now, yes, there's already stuff on radar, but this one will likely become a little stronger for us with snow saturating the atmosphere and getting to the surface. A quick dusting to an inch will be possible with that. Then it works into eastern Kentucky and gets a hold of that system that's working across the Carolinas to keep moisture wrapping around and bringing us that chance for some prolonged snow through Saturday midday, even into Saturday night. As it pushes to the east, that fine cutoff between snow and no snow will move out, but we do have the opportunity for some streaks of snow to develop Saturday night into Sunday morning before this system wraps up. It's all influenced from that low that's going to be working through, and ultimately not looking at a big thumper here by any means. A trace to an inch for most tonight through Saturday, while southern and eastern Kentucky has a chance to see 1 to 3 inches of snowfall. Adjustments, of course, possible with this. It's all depending upon the track, and we could actually see this get squeezed even further to the east depending upon where the track of that low goes. Nonetheless, enough to warrant an advisory in southeastern Kentucky as we go through the next 48 hours. 22, though, for your high temp on Friday. The cold day is going to be Saturday. 14 degrees for a high in the morning. Wind chills possibly cold as 10 degrees, and then we warm things back up a little bit by Sunday, and the flakes wrap up. But with that, we do have a cold weather advisory again from 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Saturday for central and southern Kentucky. And again, that's for that 10 below feeling as we get going. Now, if you look at the next 48 hours, it's not too bad for us on future wind chills here. We're going to have overnight lows hanging in the teens, wind chills in the single digits across northern Kentucky. But tomorrow afternoon, all those wind chills even stay in the 20s for some. As we go into Saturday, though, again, that's the cold spot, getting a good 5 to maybe even 10 degrees below zero with those wind chills to wrap it up into Saturday afternoon. They do hang pretty cold for most of the day, but the slow and steady race out of the Arctic air does come in for early next week. Here's where this weekend's cold comes, and there it goes. By early next week, we're going to push all that Arctic air out. By Monday and Tuesday, we're going to see a lot of folks back near and above freezing. That is going to come with a chance for a mixture of rain and or snow by the middle of the week. A different system that we'll have to keep a close eye on that could lead to some sloppy mess for us then as well as we get into Wednesday, Thursday.